How to fix hololive Dreams is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game in the library, open up the properties, and in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. Now from here, from this table, you'll need to get the 86 and the 64 installers for redistributables. And once you finish the installation, this will require you to restart your computer. So make sure to do that. Next, what you need to do is update your GPU driver. So make sure to get the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And you can check for updates here and get and install the latest available driver update. Now once you finish that, all you need to do is run Steam as admin by right-clicking on Steam and click Run as admin. And then just open up the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem for the game. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.